You want your doors to all be the same? Use door styles. It's been a while since I've done the iCare for Africa job, and I wanted to show you how I'm going to make all of these doors absolutely identical. So at the moment they're all unstyled. I'm going to choose this door here, and I'm going to make that the styled door because that's the closest to what I want. That is, I want to have some vision panels so that I can see through. This door has to be solid because it's a treatment room and it needs to have the light controlled. So I need to have one door style for that and one door style for that, because this one needs vision panels and this one needs to be solid. But I want both these doors to be identical, and I want these to be identical as well. So how do we do that? We use a door style. So I've got a door selected. If we go to here, style, I can make a new plugin style. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it doors. Okay. This is my storeroom door. There it is, the solid. How thick is it? It's 40 millimeters thick. It's got no gap. It's solid. And I've got vision panels here, so I've included all the vision panel information. Let's go back to the general settings. What do we want? We want to define it by the leaf size, 860, because it needs to be an accessible door. What swing has it got? What door handle? So we can choose the hardware. We can include hardware and put hardware on it. We've got the leaf, the jamb, so we can put all those settings in. Click OK, and that's now a styled door. Now if we go back to the settings for that, let's go back and edit the settings. And we're going to choose just 2 vision panels. So number of panels, just 2. So I got 2 there. The bottom edge offset there, let's make it 1200. See my little vision panels moved up. OK to that. And you can see I've now got 2. But this door didn't change. So what we do is we then go to our object info palette. We replace that with our storeroom door. And that's now updated. And so whenever I make a change to one of those doors, the other one will automatically update. This needs to be saved as well. So we're going to make this a styled door. New plugin style. Stick it in the doors folder. This is my treatment room door. So I've made the changes that I want. I've got the leaf size that I want. I've got the door opening that I want. In 3D, I'd really like to see it open because when I'm doing my visualization, let's OK that. That's my style. This door over here needs to be the same style. So again, I can go replace, treatment room. OK, and you can see it's now open in 3D. Now because it's a style, I'm not able to change it unless I go to my settings and make some of these parts flexible. For example, if I come down to the general, you can see that I've changed it from left to right. OK that. And now my doors flip the other way. So styles allow you to be a little bit flexible in some areas, but not in every area. So now I've got those 2 doors where I want. And now it's time to carry on and go to the next stage, which is to add furniture and electrical. So it's really important to use styles for things like windows and doors because they allow you to be flexible when you need to, but consistent where you need to as well. So if you like this movie, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified. But if you would like someone to guide you through these things, then join my workshops, become a member on my website, come to the workshops and get to ask me questions so I can guide you through learning Vectorworks. It's phenomenal. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.